Hey guys, and welcome to a brand new video, guys, and in today's video we're going to be practicing with functions. Now we have two problems right here, and I want to start off with the easy one, and it's this one. It says print numbers 0 to 10 by using functions and range. So to do that, it's really simple once you get the concepts. We can say define numbers, and we can say colon, and we can say for x in range 11. Whoops, too much ones. We can just say print x, and it is that. Oops, I didn't mean to put that. Just that easy. Just so for define numbers. So numbers can be a variable. For x in range of 11, so for x in the range of 11, so 0 to 10, print x. Now the reason it did not print 11 is because it does not, really include 11. We talked about that in another video, so you might want to check that out. I think we talked about an integers video, yeah. Now let's go to hard one. Now here's what it says. Write a function that prints out the smallest number if both of the numbers are even, else print the largest number. So in this case, we can see we have two different variables. So we can say for number, actually, here, let's change this to number so it doesn't make any confusion. Number. If I was to run these two, okay. Numbers x and y, let's say. Now the reason we said x and y is because we need two different variables for them to be equal. So if x and y is even, it will be, printing out the smallest number, and if it's not, it's gonna print the large numbers. So we're gonna say colon, and we're gonna say if. Now before we'll actually get back to this, but let's just do pass, and let's do else and pass, because we're going to be just filling these in later on. So let's first go to first one, and for if, let's change it to x mod 2 is equal to 0, and y is equal to, y mod 2 is equal to 0, and we can say this. If x is greater than y, so many y's, print, or if y is less than x, print y. Why does it keep, okay, else print x. Now for else, let's just get rid of this, and let's say this. Else, if x is greater than y, we can say another if. So actually, we're supposed to say this too, right? Wait. If x is greater than y, we can now say this: print x and else print y. There we go. Now, this is pretty much the package we have. Wait, how do we delete this? Now it might sound, it might look complicated, so once more, let's just go over what each and every single one of them means. So we define numbers, x and y, right? And in our first if, the biggest if, we said if x mode 2 is equal to 0 and y mode 2 is equal to 0, and if that happens, then when that happens, if y is smaller, then x prints y. If it is not, print x. If these two are not equal, so if they're odd numbers, it says if x is larger than y, print x, and or else print y. Now for it to make more sense, let's just do this numbers, and let's put two numbers. So let's say 10 and 12. Oops, wrong number. 12. So let's okay, I had a bit of problem, but so we have number 4 and 6. Now why did it print 4? Now since these two are like divisible by 2, so they're even, it prints out the small number. Now we have 4 right here. Now if I was to change this to like 3, would get 6, because that's a bigger number. So it was practicing with functions